To thank special friends and the following sponsors: Ms. Larina Flores of Quebec, Canada, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Kathy Salvador, Mr. and Mrs. Danielle and Elisa Cabal, and Miss Josephine Cabal of Hilo, Hawaii. Miss Charity Lianas of Porterville, California. Mr. and Mrs. Perry and Maricel Totok, and Miss Lori Baldoria of USA. CJ of Baguio. Pacific Star International Employment Agency, para kadagiti kayat nagubra sa Jebalasyo Tao, kas kuma Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Jordan, can Kuwait. For inquiries, please visit our nearest office located at Alicia Isabella Branch, 2nd floor, room 201, DZV Building, Maharlika Highway, Magsaysay, Alicia Isabella, in front of Our Lady of Atocha Church. At Santiago City Isabella Branch, ground floor at Navarro Building, Maharlika Highway, Villasis, Santiago.
Liwliwati OFW, liwliwati amin nga Ilocano. Intay pa ba na di kultura tayo, literatura nga Ilocano. Babaeng sa miwing iti puso, sonata ni Ilocano. Karubada kami, ada kami, Manen nga FDD, amang liwliwat ken nagpakatawa. Ang kompleto ti Domingo, bayat ti panaging inanayo, kabayatan nagpipinate, tay nga Ilocano.
Exciting karuba! Iti talong nga oras ngayon tayo pa nagkakadwa kada Domingo.
Tana dumadu mga istorya ti kababalin ni Ilocano.
Babaen ti sonata ni Ayat Ken Biag, dito'y lang
104.9 XFM, isupay ang Karubada kami.
Well, it's an exciting Sunday. Tapi eko na balong, tapi eko na panikat. It's an exciting Palm Sunday to everyone. Nakita niyo mo tilang kami, ha? Po, you see palm on our shirts. On our polo shirts. Yan, kita niyo mo. That's how we celebrate Palm Sunday. Yan, happy Palm Sunday to everyone, po. And Adda kami manan for the next 3 hours of your panaginana. Nakita'y while you're doing your tagaytay Sunday household chores at prampanjan, taglablaba, adagin inana, damat yung mga aldaw, ito tangan kanito, apo, good afternoon kada kayo, kadagitay palpal pa, ngiti nasapangan na nga, ngiti kaririing na pailangan na puyat, kas kada kami, nagkapo kami apo itigig kalman sa jay,
Tugegaraw.
Karig, Barangay Karig, Tugegaraw Seri, and that is courtesy of Ma'am Feby Mal.
Adda di street dakod.
Sige man, if you can remember, kitang tama.
Basta Block 8. Lot 12.
Something like that.
Lot 12, Block 8 kasi ko. Letter, start with letter S sa jay ko.
Okay, nga rod.
Street da.
Ayan, and first of all, syempre, I would like to wish that may sakadagitay napaklan nga karuba tayo dito Porterville, California. Kabsa Charity Lianas, happy birthday from the FDD family. Ayan, syempre, good afternoon mat. Katagita tumapay nga miyembros iti familiam. Dito, ni Mel and Charmel. Ayan, nagmaimutan ta. May isang bulan ti birthday da kini balasang na ni Charmel. So once again, happy birthday from the FDD family. Sa din naman nga turong ti lubong. Ayan. Anapay tiket mga iba kabalong. Very busy ka mat dita. Kaya kita'y manariman na pong magbibuya kada kami. Iti YouTube. Good afternoon ni Alona Tabalbag. Happy Sunday and God bless ko na. Ni Evangeline Buton Alteag. Na imbag nga pangaldaw tayo. Amin karuba from Pugo, La Union, Hong Kong. Adda kami manan. Yes. And of course, may balasang Jan Feliz. And she is wishing Kapsa Charity Lianis a blessed and happy birthday. That's it. Narod, kumansyon tabalong. Busy is muna ako eh. Urunusin na dajay hair con.
Ano di ka salimutan.
Ayan. Yeah, thank you for making
Yan.
us. Yan. Okay, Rod. Bada mo nga sunara.
sen pati lang ken ugali jakon matarasanen awanen ni Ilocanan nga mamukidi panawen ay awanen day di narumpi ano umisem mapagbingi at ay balasang anadamili kalay tupay sang tumakuti ay awanen tingkang isala tabakbaketen tadititenga dagitineneng nagpukauda kinuyuda ay awanen ting maisala intaraida anusen minti bakbaket tanu bumalse ay napiket pati bantay parangda awan ti prenot pagkaakda awanen ni Ilocana nga mabuki di ununana ay awanen day di narumpi ano umisam mapagbingi at ay balasang anadamili kalay sa tupay sang tumabuti ay awanen tingkang isala tabakbaketen tadititenga dagitineneng nagpukauda ginuyuda ay awanen ti maisala intaraida ananusen minti babaket tanu bumalse ay napiket ay awanen tingkang isala tabakbaketen tadititenga dagitineneng nagpukauda ginuyuda ay awanen ti maisala intaraida ananusen minti babaket tanu bumalse ay napiket.
And someone is asking abi kano sa bali ti background ta. Yeah, actually, it's our idea po. Dito ngamin ti lugar iti paano the guest da apong in interviewin da ito da and tatay nakita mi kasi naglawa di jay. So
Para makita yo.
Imakar kami ken adito apo iti product iti Yes to Health. We have balong
Santon Plus Gold,
and amay.
ascorbic acid,
Yes, dabay.
Premium D3,
Ata di susaram.
Vision X Plus.
Yeah.
Ate mo dyan sa saram turbo.
Wow. Okay, I wish ko lang sabi ko mata Adda ti kasta medyo nagata di sunat haanlaan nga pampa rekta iti nilabag iti bagbagi iti lalaki deta. Ado pa iti maitid nga nasayaat. Nga vitamins. Hindi lang maibagano niya ka. Kang ka-memorize ajay basta
Maka and
clavawas ka ajay di matanda na lang mo na yun.
Aji maka, dyan.
Maka?
Waska.
No makakukwakak siya.
Wag.
Imelda Tulio, kung na happy Sunday. And shout out po sa pamilya Tulio Ken Cortez. It is a good eye. Idol, Ateman Rivers of Babylon. Thank you so much. Hanapin ko na.
Ni?
Estanyes, Eliza.
Ayan, pag-greet naman po kay mama ko Annalisa Estanes ng happy birthday mga idol at sa mga kasama namin na nagluluto ngayon mga idol na sila Papa Ben at Ate Inday. Happy Sunday and God bless po mga idol.
Yes. And because it's the first another day
Share done naman ni Jenny Maestre.
Thank you.
Facebook.
Wow, thank you Apo. So please do share our videos.
Like and share.
And kung katabil ko kahit kung kantaan nga sonata eh.
Ayan, happy Sunday mga karuba. Share out di pamilya Tulio.
Nalpas detan. Ito awan naman ito eh.
Ito good, ayaw pa. So lang nga binasak lang. Ayan, happy Palm Sunday everyone. Lalo ko niya ipiyajun ka nating JM from Juvie, Abayaw. Pintas ito ko ako data.
Abayan na mo yun. Ako ka, biru ko ang kanta. Agor kabit apo, pagpasensyaan nyo, medyo bayag-bayag at tatanga mangkita iti sunata kahit kung kansyonan.
Ano ba, Jay? Tagalog, English.
Atay, you are my hiding place.
Yeah.
Iso nga iso tikat mo tayo na po tata first may kadwa nga sunata ta. Siyempre, it's the first day of the Holy Week. It's Palm Sunday. So,
Palaspas.
Yan, Domingo Palaspas. Hiding place.
Ito no next Sunday, Domingo Ramos.
Yeah.
Easter.
Easter Sunday. Nga Domingo Ramos.
Ayun na nga. Anong tawag na dyan? Domingo
ti panagbiyak. Linggo ng pagkabuhay ko na.
Di panagkabiyag niya po sa Kristo.
Correct. Awa mo talaga dyan.
Taol nga taol ati, isa ilang taman.
Awa nga talaga. Ata nga talaga.
Siguro. Wala ka namang
it's not that one. Awanin, di ba sa amon?
Ayan, Rainier's Travels. Prelude to Hawaii na ba yan, mga idol? Nice outfit.
Palm Sunday ngamin kabsat, Rainier. That's why ito in Sarmi at the Palm na.
Nagputo to, hindi to, Pilipinas. Lalo, jeto kay garaw di kalman. Makasinate.
Dagi tayo mapudpudutan na po, kaya natin swimming iti private.
Mapangkailangan po, Jay, Rainier's Private Resort sa Jay San Sebastian Ramon Escuela in front of San Sebastian Integrated School. Nakadya po tagpabook. I-search lang yung Facebook na Rainier's Private Resort.com.
Nakamabiro. Kitantaman lang ito yan. Barbaring, makita tang adagos. Kawan.
Yan, pa-shoutout ka na Karubak, Abayaw, family, Pagaduan, family, Lagasca family, Medina family, Dita Kabatuan, Saranak, Tagimakot, ano naman, Mejuvi, Abayaw.
Kawan na. Nabulukan na ito eh.
Pwede kayo ito para nga makita tayo ulo ni Chief dito.
Diyos, aji mordong tibok na ko nam.
Oy.
Mordong tibok ni Chief. Sa bali lang tati kang tamon balong.
Kasi kamang gamain.
Wen. Nakipot ati pag birukak. Nga kasaidi nga naasidig nga kasani.
Ay, di yes, silang mo.
Di ati mo ti...
Pares na lang magkangato. Pares na lang kangato data.
Dilata na song from the Carpenters. Kadagitay masapol ng agayat. I know I need to be in love.
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me.
Mariyo po ni Doc Febe.
The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of quite a perfect world. I'm full enough to think that's what I've want.
Ikam day makatulturog
Yeah? So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend inside. alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quiet and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quiet and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I'll find.
Wow. That's from Karen Carpenter's only right here on 104.9 XFM sa Diago City.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Apaw, kaslasaan ka na ba nog? Sir June Ken JM from Doc Feby Marl Pat sa YouTube.
Yeah. And kung na dito text message sa iyo, na impang daw yung katropa, pakablao man dagiti kagabsat ko. Oscar Tadeha, Alex, Elsa, John, JR, Agraman, asawa ken anak da. Nang nagruna ken asawak, Dario Amparado, payakan tayo man da jay balay ni Tatang, Tiagiyawan, Vanji Amparado, Tigulak, Defun, Quirino. And we have our first caller on the line. Good afternoon, Kenka. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, go ahead, Ading Riza. Amulata, di boses na.
Kabkablawak dagiti amin nga benben yung Tita Alicia, Family Pega, Family Doria. Kasama to dagiti kagadwak ni Titri El Masad, ni Kuya Lawrence, ni Entang, kasama to ni Jomer, Patalitan. Kasama to ng kabkablawak nila kay Ko. Inaimbang Aldaw.
Madi ka nagawid.
Di Kuya. Mabali nag-request Kuya.
Oh, sige.
Yung Rivers of Babylon, Kuya.
Talagang kahit yung The Rivers of Babylon. Oh, sige, matungpal.
Sige, Kuya, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Ayan. Ngem, while looking for the Rivers of Babylon, dubli man nga kitaan na jay
Kita mo yung Easter.
so, the jay Easter siguro tayo na jay
Easter Kalibuso.
Easter Kalibuso. Awan na jay nga kuha tayo nga paghayam tayo ng kumakukuan
Maan, isa tayo naganakot manang rocks.
yan, nagayimuan.
Well, manang rocks ti Facebook na. Pati unay nga
Active and
comment.
Okay, nga ron, kantanda na jay kalikagom ng sonata Rivers of Babylon. Aha, sagot na kano kita dito 3L massage. Ngayon kung mabirukan balong na jay folder ko na what's happening.
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. One the wicked that carried us away out of captivity required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? One the wicked carried us away in captivity required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Let the words of our mouths and the meditations of our hearts when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion.
Good PM mga idol kablaawa man ni manang ko nga nag-birthday di malam kasta mo kalagiti anak ko apo ko pa-request mo na di idol Duyaw Arosas iti nag-text ni Irene Manuel iti Rizaluna Cordon.
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion.
Okay, ngarod ka ba? Dito mo na nga paset. Iti programa tayo kat. Nagsubli kami with more songs, more requests, more surprises right after we break. Adda kami manan dito 104.9 XFM Santiago City would like to thank special friends and the following sponsors. Ms. Larina Flores of Quebec, Canada. Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Kathy Salvador. Mr. and Mrs. Danielle and Elisa Cabal. And Miss Josephine Cabal of Hilo, Hawaii. Miss Charity Lianas of Porterville, California. Mr. and Mrs. Perry and Maricel Totok and Miss Lori Baldoria of USA. CJ of Baguio. Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Para kadagiti kayat na agubra sa Jebalasyo Tao, kas kuma Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Jordan, can Kuwait. For inquiries, please visit our nearest office located at Alicia Isabella Branch, 2nd floor, room 201, DZV Building, Maharlika Highway, Magsaysay, Alicia Isabella, in front of Our Lady of Atocha Church. At Santiago City Isabella Branch, ground floor at Navarro Building, Maharlika Highway, Villasis, Santiago City Isabella, in front of Northeastern College. With POEA license 234-LB-110518-R. We don't collect fees. Beware of illegal recruiters. Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Special thanks to Rainier's Private Resort located at Purok 3 San Sebastian, Ramon Isabela, in front of San Sebastian Integrated School. Come and enjoy the following amenities: private pool with big cabana, KTV room, wash area, grill area, air-conditioned kubo, and the whole villa. Rainier's Private Resort, and for inquiries and reservations, please call 0955-573-9706 or visit their Facebook page. Rainier's Private Resort. Adda kami manan dito 104.9 XFM Santiago City would like to thank special friends and the following sponsors. Ms. Larina Flores of Quebec, Canada. Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Kathy Salvador. Mr. and Mrs. Danielle and Elisa Cabal. And Miss Josephine Cabal of Hilo, Hawaii. Miss Charity Lianas of Porterville, California. Mr. and Mrs. Perry and Maricel Totok and Miss Lori Baldoria of USA. CJ of Baguio. Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Para kadagiti kayat na agubra sa Jebalasyo Tao, kas kuma Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Jordan, can Kuwait. For inquiries, please visit our nearest office located at Alicia Isabella Branch, 2nd floor, room 201, DZV Building, Maharlika Highway, Magsaysay, Alicia Isabella, in front of Our Lady of Atocha Church. At Santiago City Isabella Branch, ground floor at Navarro Building, Maharlika Highway, Villasis, Santiago City Isabella, in front of Northeastern College. with POEA license 234-LB-110518-R. We don't collect fees. Beware of illegal recruiters. Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Special thanks to Rainier's Private Resort located at Purok 3 San Sebastian, Ramon Isabela, in front of San Sebastian Integrated School. Come and enjoy the following amenities: private pool with big cabana, KTV room, wash area, grill area, air-conditioned kubo, and the whole villa. Rainier's Private Resort, and for inquiries and reservations, please call 0955-573-9706 or visit their Facebook page. Rainier's Private Resort. Adda kami Manen dito 104.9 XFM Santiago City would like to thank special friends and the following sponsors: Ms. Larina Flores of Quebec, Canada, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald and Kathy Salvador, Mr. and Mrs. Danielle and Elisa Cabal, and Miss Josephine Cabal of Hilo, Hawaii, Miss Charity Lianes of Porterville, California, Mr. and Mrs. Perry and Maricel Totok, and Miss Lori Baldoria of USA, CJ of Baguio, Pacific Star International Employment Agency, para kadagiti kayat na agubra sa Jebalasio Tao, Kaskuma, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Jordan, can Kuwait. For inquiries, please visit our nearest office located at Alicia Isabela Branch, 2nd floor, room 201, DZV Building, Maharlika Highway, Magsaysay, Alicia Isabela, in front of Our Lady of Atocha Church. At Santiago City Isabela Branch, ground floor at Navarro Building, Maharlika Highway, Villasis, Santiago City Isabela, in front of Northeastern College. With POEA license 234-LB-110518-R. We don't collect fees. Beware of illegal recruiters. Pacific Star International Employment Agency. Special thanks to Rainier's Private Resort. Well, we're back and you're still with Katropang June and Katropang JM. Dito lang po numero 1 programa. Iti intero talubong. Adda kami Manen dito 104.9 XFM Santiago City. Exciting. And kada kita'y pangablaw po nga barbaro nga si Bangbat. Panana dito ni J. Bell. Happy Sunday Manong June. And John Mark, please sing Victoria. Thank you. It's Maribel Garcia watching from Salinas, California. Yan. Dati kano sunata nga Victoria balon di kaya nga mga gani. And kung naman dito ay we have a caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Karuba.
Yes, Karuba. Duyaw Arosas. Wan. Kumablao kalatan.
Away Karuba. At lawak man, maglawak kayo man iti tangal daw yo. And maglawak man ni mother ko nga edita ayan na skari sa yanda. Ken kasamit ni manang ko magkis Armo, na kaduan ni mother ko. Kasamit kani ading ko ni Mas John di Armo. Ken kasamit di anak na ni Aika, ken ni asawa na uwi na kada. Mabaling Kristus na ta Karuba.
Wan.
Ato man Nagbagang Karuba, Dayo Rosas. Kantayin niyo man Karuba, balik?
Well, sige nga.
Sige,
Okay, thank you. Apo na tayo regular caller tayo from Mascaris, Ramon Isabela. At ay kanuman na Duyaw Arosas.
Tapos sa pa Victoria.
Victoria pa. Okay, sige man ti. Malilito akon balang.
Yes, susutog mo kami man talaga parigirigatan.
So ngarod, nagadayo ati.
Yes, susutog mo.
Pag ko ditak. Atin ni ma.
Mati, sige, ko mayait.
Mati, matay data camera ta. Damdaman to, sumaruno. Victoria is highly requested. Dati man Victoria. Ano ka tayo birok ti Victoria?
Victoria, San Mateo, Isabela.
Oh, yeah. payag launa dito.
No kay kasta ti banag na inanusa ket timteng ti aldaw napalaos iti ragsak ko ni Victoria ay nakulon nantoy ayat ko when naganas aldaw aglabas tunggal Adda ni Victoria iti denna ngem malas ti amin amalas inangaw nagnigasa ididimteng ti maysa pasama idi na pana nagpasiyar jay balayda
Napasamak.
ni tatang na di inak nakasarita
Nana.
Ay pero pasensya ka daawanin ni Victoria intaray daytay adik akaroba.
nasakit tinagem ko itinapasama ket napanak naginom iti arak tigasat ko sinang sangitak taawanen ti liw-liwak ni Victoria ket awanen iti denna naglabas ti aldaw mulan kentawen
Mulan kentawen.
nadamag ko ni Victoria simbang peten
Kasaunay.
Dagus ko sinarong karan mailiwag unay kenkwanan ngemat damit ti ubing nga kaduanan ket kita tinagpatenggaan daytoy kanta ti istorya may banggit kenayat tanag subling diliw-liwak ni Victoria sinubliana nubitin ka doblem na denggen daytoy kanta nubitin ka doblem na denggen daytoy kanta.
Okay, our special thanks to Manang Larina Flores, Rainier's Private Resort, of course, of Purok at Purok Tres,
Tres.
San Sebastian, Ramon Isabela. We also
Ni
have
Lorely Valdoria,
Perry and Maricel Totok,
Kathy and Ronald Salvador,
Daniel and Lisa Cabal.
CJ of Baguio City,
Of course, Dr. Febe Marl, part of Tuguegarao City.
and Pacific Star International Employment Agency Corporation.
That were the sponsors and stakeholders, the FDD. Thank you so much. Hey, and hello, June and the JM. Nice haircuts. Missed you guys. Yeah, agpada kami nga nag-haircut the last week. Yan. Kat si bibiyag pa mo, dahil yun ang pukis kanya, me.
Pares kami barbero.
Yeah, may mesa ti
Shout
barber,
out
me.
kay Kuya Renz. Ayan.
Renz, iti abay ti munisipyo, apo. Pagkikayat na
Samoti of Fire Station.
ibagaya lang pukis ni John. Wino pukas ni JM. Pukis ni JM. Ited na nga, ited deta. Awan duwa-duwa. And nasa raka ko, dahil kahit kong kansunin. Para iti panang isagana tayo, iti pagbagi tayo for the Holy Week. Deta. So nga, kaya't ko launay nga kantaan. Ayan. So nga, ikanta man nga ron iti waya, balong.
One.
Please reflect on this peace. Ayan. Yan, concentrate and let's reflect.
Meditate.
Meditate, yan. Amo mo dyan sa nga meditate, ha? Meditate. Not a joke.
Kala ko yoga.
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord.
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you.
Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord.
I will trust in you.
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord.
Trust in
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. Oh, nagmayat nga talaga gamit nga kumansyon for His glory. Ako na talaga nga pakaitanukan ni Apo. And that's You Are My Hiding Place, a version of nalipatak din ang version
Sela.
ng ha?
Sela?
Sela?
Diyan mo, isang muti sa mo nung
Selas. Yeah, Selas.
Sela.
Sela. Yeah, Sela. Yan. Sela. Yan. Nagpintas. And pre-practice medical man while we are
Driving.
nga paawit Apo. That's the best thing. At ibanding miti music no agda-drive kami kini amagan wala no papanami man lalo no long drive talaga nga Spotify all throughout the journey nga talaga mat ita nga practice kami no magkurso na dami di sonata napindos ito kansyon ta ito dai jay ito siguro nga ato ti kwata punduta ta hanta mapukpukawan iti time nga ag-practice. Ken hanga pepeso nga practice atay dalan lang
Kasi naman iron sa anti camera data medyo na lamlamang masitayan ko.
Tiraem. Once again, thank you so much, Doc Febe Mal, iti Karig, and for having us yesterday. Iso apo ti makaamong nga mangi promote kada kami di jay.
Okay na.
Okay, ano pa?
Makitkitan ti premium D3 kan ascorbic acid kan Santon plus gold.
Product iti yes to health nga dati libre nga konsultasyon da apo at jay
Kanto ti ni San Mall sa tagi parking lot.
no kaya iyo ti agpakonsulta iti health apo.
Gini DocNet. Yan.
Tas-
Magandang tanghali mga katropa from Ramon Isabella, from Kennedy Gallardo. Ayan.
No,
And
Kennedy.
Maria Novi Saldo, hello crew, barkas kumanjay kanta nga happy birthday para kin balong ko nga ni Wilfredo nga birthday iton Huwebes Santo. Thank you. God bless. Oy, ka-birthday da kini ka naka Huwebes Santo 27.
Sino? Ni Bumbum. Okay, happy
Right.
birthday Latan Kabsat. Ayan, from the 4-decade duo.
Ay 28 ganyan, 28. Di birthday na.
Okay, may sabi nga sunata apo. Katagitay medyo madagdag sinan apo iti parikot iti biyag. Adda apo dagiti tattao nga makatulong kada tayo hangkay nga ag-hesitate nga umasinig ka kada
Iinan nam dito abagak ko na sa Ilocano version.
Rest your love on me ako na dito. If you are in trouble apo, talagang kumita kay lang tiglawlaw. Adda dagiti si sagana.
Trouble, ayan. Kantaan man da jay trouble isa friend damdama. Tadatik trending nga di ko. Selos ko na sa di ba?
Yes, selos. Baby, you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was him, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while.
Saw you in the corner, and the moment I walked in, saw your lonely face across the room. Now I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave so soon?
You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and at times like this I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last rain to be here and the last chance to come? Had to think that I was born too soon. The love don't come. I was there when you left me, just didn't know how to begin. Oh, lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles my shoulder. Put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder. Put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder. Put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Ninong, i-greet ko man ni Ninong ko Kapitan Apolinario Farnacio. Ti happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless. Salamat Ninong. Request ko man day Kuton Titel Talong from Kaluban. Rubelin Pasco. Oh.
Yan.
And here's another caller. Hello. Di ka mamati magpapatay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Kablawang naman di nagasa na alam mo Sir John and Jem.
Mas tama.
Hindi po si Marcel tatatasa malang taon di sa liyo.
Agpugsa-pugsa.
Wala pa agpugsa-pugsa.
Signal medyo kumapsot sa tiko.
Madia si nasa Paro Sir John.
Wen. Padasin ito tumawag, taano maawatan, dagitay kablaawam iti tiweg.
Bawang ka digital talon.
Wen, umuli ka di bantay kasi ring gamis ti kay kayo.
Reception Sir John.
Wan.
Pugsa
Medyo
pugsa.
ka.
Tama ba rin ang Sir John? Mga tao.
Wan. Sige. Oret pugsa-pugsa atin.
Ito na Sir John na madimla para minsan na unsulit na sa tapoy-tapoy ito. Dito reception radio.
Madi nga di radyo at teleponom.
Thank you Sir John.
Wen.
Sir John, thank you.
Okay. Amok lang ito, dagitay kablaawan na ni Sir nga
1 minute lang
Pedro.
patalas sa tawanan na.
Yeah, okay na, pero we can have this space.
Sige.
Okay. 2. Wow.
Sigurado ka? Trouble you'll find you no matter where you go. Ow, ow.
No matter if you're fast, no matter if you're slow. The eye of the storm or the cry in the morning. You're fine for a while, but you start to lose control. He's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gotta play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine.
Trouble is a friend, but trouble is a foe. Ow, ow. ka. He's there in my heart.
Pati ada partikot ka ka pa na mo sinsinyasan.
He's gotta play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble